So, we just received a delivery from Mike, our friendly local parcel force driver. Been waiting for this for a few days. I think you'll be excited. Let's take it inside and have a look. So here we are back inside, and inside that big box was this much smaller box. First impressions, Telo packaging is always good. It's a fairly weighty box, 1.5 kg maybe, but nicely packed, nicely branded, good solid sturdy box. As I say, that's what we've come to expect from Telo. They don't skimp on the packaging. So let's open it up and see what we've got inside. Okay, first thing we see, little instruction pamphlet there giving the basic functions of the device, what all the various connectors and buttons are used for. This again is something that Telo does well. A lot of other Chinese manufacturers don't. Of the kind of device, that you what all the various connectors and always a really good little quick start guide from Telo inside the boxes for all of their products. So the radio itself in the back of the box in a little plastic bag. So first impressions, nice big screen. That's a 6-inch, I think, or 5-inch Gorilla Glass screen. Feels well made, quite solid. Interesting array of buttons, obviously on-off, volume, microphone, emergency, a range of programmable buttons down the side there. Interfaces on the top for SIM card, I think, flash card, memory card. On the back, USB and headphone sockets, a power socket. Nice to see they've changed the very fragile socket that was on the M5, the predecessor to this, for something far more robust. Main and auxiliary antennas for LTE, Wi-Fi and GPS, not sure which way around. And interestingly, under this cover here, as far as I can see, a 9-way RS232 connector. So it will be interesting to see what that is capable of delivering. If we can get externalized functions such as microphone, receive audio, PTT, that kind of thing, or maybe it's only an audio output. Don't know yet, haven't had the chance to look. But we will in the next few days, weeks, depending on how busy we are, and we'll get back to you as we learn more. So this, I'm guessing, is going to be the accessories box. Yeah, so inside we find power cable, again with that new, I won't break it open just yet, that new screw thread power connector, which looks like it'll be far more robust, and an inline fuse in that DC power lead as well. 3 wires indicating that not only is there positive and negative for DC, but the third wire I would expect to be some kind of ignition sense, so the radio will automatically power up when it receives 12 volts. Screws to hold it into the mounting cradle, and a very interesting hexagonal, 2, 4, 6, yeah, hexagonal self-adhesive antenna. You can't see it through the bag, but branded with the new Telox logo, but a multi-purpose antenna. So it looks like on the end of this cable we've got all 4 of those connections, main and auxiliary LTE, Wi-Fi and GPS. So that's very interesting. Not seen any of the other manufacturers produce anything like that so far. And then underneath the accessories box, I'm guessing this is going to contain the microphone. Yeah, looks like it. Microphone hanger in there, bracket with a couple of screws, and the microphone itself. Excuse the rustling. Let's pop it out of the package and see what we've got. Okay, an interesting elongated type of microphone. Push to talk button on the side, nice big positive feeling push to talk button. No auxiliary for a headphone or anything like that, but not normally something you'd expect to see or need on a mobile. And again, what looks like a reasonably robust microphone connector for the front of the device. So that's it. First impressions. Looks nice. Yet to power it up. Yet to see how it performs. We'll be putting it through its paces, as I said, over the probably next week or two, and we'll make some more videos as we go on and let you know how it performed.